Hello, I'm 13 Weather Authority meteorologist Claudia Olek. For an update on the forecast today, will really be that calm before the storm. We're going to see mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures climb into those low to mid 40s in the afternoon, but even your winds are going to remain calm. It's really not until tonight do we see a low pressure system getting closer to the area, bringing some chances for snow. Now, we'll drop in the upper 20s, and not everybody will see the snow. In fact, we'll see a winter weather advisory go into effect at 1 a.m. for those counties right along that Illinois-Wisconsin border. So that does include Joe Davis, Stevenson, Winnebago, Boone, McHenry, Green Rock, and Walworth County into southern Wisconsin. This for a potential of seeing several inches of snow to fall, bringing impacts especially within those areas near and to the north of US 20. So keep this in mind. Plan ahead for tomorrow. We will likely see that wet snow leading to some kind of a slowdown into the morning on Friday. Now let's see what that looks like on future track. As we head overnight, we could see some of those snow showers moving through. You'll notice a lot of that activity though is staying right along that state line. So this is about 4 a.m. Then let's go to your morning commute. This is just after about 8 o'clock. That's when you're seeing potentially that heavy band of snow. Now where this is exactly going to line up is still a little uncertain there. So that might fall a little further to the north within just southern Wisconsin. But if it wiggles some into northern Illinois, then we may see those impacts into the northern half of Joe Davis, Stevenson, Winnebago, and Boone counties. So that's something we're looking out for. But regardless, this continues. Now, this model in particular, I do want to point out that it brings that snow into most of northern Illinois. Now, typically, we're going to end up seeing a lot of that warm-up happen a little bit further to the south of US 20, where rain and snow is possible. So not everybody will see this snow, but it does end up moving out as we dry off entirely into your evening. Now let's take a look at potential totals. Now again, where that heavy snow band is going to line up is going to give us a better idea of who sees how much snow. But right now, this is kind of what we're trending at. So the higher totals will fall further to the south, or further to the north, that is, into southern Wisconsin. So southern Wisconsin looking to see the higher totals. Then you drop to about 1 to 3 inches into northern Illinois. Now, where US 20 is, just to the south of that, we really might not even see much. That's where you're seeing the better chance of just that rain and snow, potentially some kind of slushy accumulation. But again, the lower amounts are going to reside mainly within about half and then the northern half of these northern Illinois counties. So we're going to see a sharp gradient. So where you see the highest totals, that will then drop to some of the lowest totals, again, right along that state line. So this is where we may still see some wiggle room. So again, anyone that resides north of US 20, be prepared to see a potential of some of that snow to accumulate, several inches expected into at least southern Wisconsin. That's what we do know right now. So we'll, of course, keep you posted, but as always, stay tuned to the forecast for more.